Oh wow, oh my god, suspension. Look at this little thing, we're hanging on. Super Mario Kart, eat your heart out. You join me here to drive something hilarious. This is the Renault Twizy. It's a car that I've wanted to drive for so long, and today I finally get the chance to have a go. So in this video I'm going to give you a very quick speed review because I haven't got long with the car, talk to you about what it's about, what features you get, and take you for a bit of a drive. I hope you enjoy. Let's do this. So this is the Renault Twizy. A quirky, extremely different kind of car, and definitely the most intriguing thing I have ever seen. The Twizy is extremely cool, but what is it? What do we get for this £13,000 price tag? Well, the Renault Twizy has a whopping 17 brake horsepower and will do 0 to 28 miles an hour in 6.1 seconds and will power on through to top out at 50 miles an hour. So if you're thinking of taking this on any other road other than the city or quiet back roads, you are extremely brave. Also, if you're thinking of getting one of these for anything other than short distances, you are again extremely brave or stupid. However, the Twizy is a fun little thing. It will give you a range of 56 miles in decent temperatures. However, when the winter kicks in, you'll only get 31 miles worth of range. But let's be honest, driving this thing in the winter isn't the greatest idea. Its design is quirky and I think it's super cool. This model does have the optional scissor doors, which not only look great, but also are a much needed extra which I would thoroughly recommend getting. The doors make the Twizy feel a little bit more like a car rather than a scooter with a roof. You get the choice of 14 colours with the Twizy, this one being finished in a very nice lagoon blue. But the one thing that you all really want to know is, how does it drive? Well, let's find out. I mean, for those of you who aren't aware, I also own a smart Brabus as kind of my little run around. This takes that even more to another level, though this isn't anywhere near as quick. This is just hilarious. Oh, brilliant. It has no punch. It's kind of, you're not going quickly in this, let's put it that way. But it does feel pretty cool, but we do have a hill, so I can go a bit quicker downhill. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Woo! Right, that's 40 miles per hour in the Twizy. We're doing well, boys. But I mean, what do you think? Oh wow, oh my god, suspension is stiff as hell. All the guards are looking at me, thinking, what on earth are you doing in this Twizy? I'm having a laugh, that's what I'm doing. Honestly, the fun thing is I'm here at what is called a test day. You can see a Porsche Cayman GT4 flying past me whilst I'm here in this Twizy. Come on, little thing. 35 mile an hour, taking the bank. Go on, little one. But you know what, the thing with this, and I say this an awful lot in small fun things, my cheekbones are actually starting to hurt with kind of how fun this car is. Oh man, it's like a go-kart on wheels. You can throw this thing around the bank. The looks I'm getting in this, look at this, the handling test in the Twizy. Am I going to kill myself? Oh, hello. Oh, that feels a bit unstable, that. Where are we going? We're in, boys, we're in. Oh wow. Oh, the brake pedal, jeez, the brake pedal is a bit stiff. Look, I don't want to deplete all of this car's range, so I want other people to have a go at it. But I'm having such a blast. It feels relatively sturdy. I mean, look, that corner there was a bit banked, you know, there's quite a lot of camber, but in terms of the handling, it's pretty reasonable, if I'm being honest. You know, you can have a bit of fun. You can have a bit of fun. Everyone's giving me beans. Normally when I drive these test courses, I'm being told to slow down by the marshals. Now they're all telling me to give it some in the Twizy. It does struggle a little bit uphill. It's kind of lack of power and tiny battery, you can tell. But as I now turn it round to go downhill, look at this little thing, we're hanging on. Super Mario Kart, eat your heart out. I apologise for the wind noise. I apologise for the wind noise, but I have no windows. But all I can say is I've had an absolute blast in this little Twizy. I really want to know what your thoughts are of this little thing. Please do let me know in the comments below. And oh, I think I've taken the wrong turn. Have I? Who knows? Anyway, I'll end the video here, guys. A very quick little video. I hope you enjoyed the little Renault Twizy as much as I have. If you did, please leave a like. Subscribe and comments are always welcome. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.